Part A shows that MATLAB expression. This table shows some mathematical expression, MATLAB expression in common window and the answers. For first one is A equals to E square. So we write the expression like this. A equals to exponential bracket 1 square. So we get this answer. The second one is B equals to E cube. So read as A equals to exponential bracket 1 cube. So get this answer. The third one is C equals to in bracket E plus in bracket E cube. So we written as C equals to log bracket exponential bracket 1 close bracket plus log exponential open bracket right 3 and close bracket. So we get 4. Same method goes for the next one. And then for this E equals to pi. So we write as exponential equals to pi. So we get this answer. Same goes for this one. And then for this one, G equals to E bracket 3 square root under 31. So we write as E equals to exponential bracket 3 times square bracket under 31. So we get this answer. And this also same as before. So we proceed for part B. For part B, they asked to find the value of hypotenuse of right angle triangle. So in question, they given that the value of A and B, the value of A is equals to 4 and B equals to 3. So we find the value of hypotenuse by using this one method. H equals to hypot bracket AB. So we get the hypotenuse value as 5. Then for part C, the question asks us to find the average value. They given 3 values, A equals to 35, B equals to 21 and C equals to 13. So we use format compact to break the lines. First we have to find the sum of these 3 numbers, A plus B plus C. So we get 69, and then find the average value by the sum of value 69 over 3. We use 3 because here got 3 numbers only, so we use 3. So we get 23. Then we proceed to question and discussion part. Here we have done some questions and also solved 2 problems. The first problem is we have to find the total amount of interest in 7 years. So they given that the car price 90,000, interest rate 2.7%, loan period 7 years. So we have to find the total interest equals to car price times by loan period times by interest rate. Monthly interest equals to total interest value divided by loan period times by 12. Then monthly installment equals to car price plus total interest divided by loan period times by 12. So here we get the answers. Then the second problem is the question asked to calculate the total amount of investment made by Africa in year 2020. So they give that the initial investment is 10,000, per month she save 100 ringgit, dividend is 0.085, investment at 2015 is equals to the initial investment. The first year is equals to initial investment plus by per month times 12 month, dividend amount at first year equals to saving at first year times by dividend, investment at 2016 equals to saving at first year plus with dividend at dividend amount. Same method goes to the second year, third year, fourth year and follow by the fifth year. Finally we get this answer for the problem. Thank you.